Since I liked the last Trueno song I heard called Neddy, I reacted to that. That's on my channel. I'm going to react to another Trueno song that also features Duki, and I did a reaction of a song that he is featured on with me and Tinny that I liked. So I'm going to react to this one, PANAMÁ, with Trueno and Duki. Before I do that, I just want to say thank you to everyone that's new to my channel. If this is the first video you've seen of me, or you're a returning sub and you subbed recently, we gained like 80 subs in 6 days. I want to say thank you to everyone. It helps me out a lot, helps me get my name out there, helps me grow my channel. But yeah, let's react to this. Trueno, Duki, PANAMÁ. Let's go. Nice little beat. Gives me good vibes, this beat. Sounds like a sunny day that like never happens in England.
Sé que son los del barrio que tengo a la boca tatuada en la piel. Sé que mi música.
Oh shit, let me put the subtitles on. Something about tattoo on my skin, I heard. Let's go back. Let's go back.
Sé que son los del barrio que tengo a la boca tatuada en la piel. Sé que mi música pega aunque escriba la mierda que me haga doler. Tengo uno más porque mis fans nunca lo van a entender. Mientras mi ñeri lo pican voy a Panamá para buscar el papel. Yo.
Man, these Argentinian guys, they pick good beats. Or they have good producers. I don't know. This sounds sick.
Pienso en mami cuando miro al sky. Sigo con miles de kilómetros, mamá. Aunque yo nunca estoy solo, manito. La luna me sigue en la night. Wanna be, wanna fight. Sigo siendo tu pai. Voy por la reina, no por la corona. Aunque no me funciona, don't woman, no cry. Estoy haciendo que mi ñeri coman. Voy por algo más que una foto con like. La luna lo vio, lo sabe. Ahora unos pares, pena la poca cruzando los mares. Hasta que el
Ah, that's a nice drop. That was sick.
sol se apague. Sigo buscando el tesoro y la llave. Vuelvo con oro para mis familiares. La luna lo vio.
So this looks like it was shot in maybe his hometown, but in a city in Argentina. I don't really get the mask vibe or the masked like idea. Like, why are they wearing masks of themselves? Maybe that was just like a concept, or it has a deep meaning. Like, they're in public, they don't want to be spotted, but they still want to be themselves. Maybe it has that like deep meaning. Just a thought. And they look like they're rapping, doing like busking, where you play for music or play for tips, that kind of thing.
Lo sabe. Ahora unos pares, pena la poca cruzando los mares. Hasta que el sol me apague. Sigo buscando
Hasta el sol se apague, until the sun goes down.
el tesoro y la llave. Vuelvo con oro para mis familiares.
Ella vino a buscarme pero yo ya estaba
Let's go,
en otra
Duki.
ciudad. Callando la pena como pa' que el resto no me vea tan mal. Encerrado en el estudio, mi zona de confort no me pueden tocar. Si quieren pelea, que venga y la busquen, no me va a ganar. Mami, no sé qué hora es, ahora los molaré. Cambio los modales, Duco se toma 3. Me creo Sócrates, mejor no lo trates. Duco sabe cómo es, goleó como Mbappé, con otro talo.
Goleo como Mbappé. Score like Mbappé.
Y como no iba a estar seguro que lo íbamos a hacer si lo soñaba con lo mío. No pienso tirar trabajo que me costó tantos años solamente por un par de resentidos. No pueden conmigo, vibro mal en el esquivo. Traición en el olvido, son regalos los míos.
Ahí estás. Qué
What? Smoking through the mask. That's weird. It's a weird shot.
La luna no vio, lo sabe. Ahora unos pares, pena la poca cruzando los mares. hasta que el sol se apague. Sigo buscando el tesoro y la llave. Vuelvo con oro para mis familiares. La luna lo vio, lo sabe. Ahora unos pares, ven a la boca cruzando los mares. Ando con los que saben lo que tenían el tesoro antes de tener la llave.
Alright, so at the end they're burning the masks. Yeah, I didn't really get the whole mask thing. But that was a hit. Like, this one I'll add to my playlist. It was sick. 2 of my favourite, like, Argentinian rappers that I've heard. I know of Duki before, but Trueno, this is my second Trueno song. And both I've liked. So I'll have to check out his session on Bitha Rap if he has a session. Did I already react to a session of his? No, I'll have to check out if he has a Bitha Rap session. Duki and Trueno. But I like Duki. He's probably my favourite because I've heard the most of him. I've heard songs like, I think I used to listen to Duki like 2 years ago or a year ago. His songs No Te Llores, I think that's one of his songs. But this is a hit. If you haven't heard of this tune, go check it out. It came out pretty recent as well, so I'm glad I could react to it pretty soon. Well, last month it came out, so I'm glad I could react to it, not like a year later. But yeah, this one's a sick. So yeah, go check out this tune if you haven't. And any other Trueno songs, Duki songs, drop them in the comments. Check out my social media, leave a like, sub to the channel if you're new, helps me out a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Keep dropping your suggestions. I'm going to react to all of them. Every day I'm uploading. So Trueno, Duki, PANAMÁ, check it out. It's a hit. I like it a lot. Done.